Hi, I'm Theo, co-founder of Cobbaï. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to analyze thousands of text in a few clicks. But why text? Well, if you want to understand your users, consumers, employees, or whatever in your ecosystem, you should definitely listen to what they say, or at least read what they write. But this can be really time-consuming and it's really tough with Excel, so why not try something new? And let me show you how with Cobbaï it's so easy and simple. Here is the example of Back Market. Let's see what the consumers have to say. We took all their reviews and put them into Cobbaï. Our SaaS platform provides us with a semantic map of all the different trends. Here each bubble, each cluster is a trend. We can see at a glance that the pricing is something big and people are talking about it. But how do they talk about it? We can find these clusters, but this time with the sentiment analysis filter. In green, the strengths, in red, the weaknesses. We should definitely work on it to improve the customer satisfaction. We can dive deeper in the analysis and benchmark different products, different users, so we can have a more precise idea of the situation. Last but not least, find out if your actions have impact and monitor the evolution of the different trends. It's really easy to manipulate text with Cobbaï, and you can clarify your priorities with your team within a few clicks. There are plenty of use cases like survey analysis, chat, claims, tickets, product market fit, social listening, quality maintenance. Wow, we take care of the text, you take care of the rest. So why not make text great again and book a meeting with us? It's really easy to book a meeting. Go on our website, www.cobbaï.com, go to free test. You will find my agenda, so find a meeting that suits you and let's talk about it. Let's see each other soon. Bye.